What's going on, nation? ukvapeuk here and welcome. Today I bring you another device by Rincoe. I just brought the Rincoe Nano kit not too long time ago, and if you want to go watch the review, go there. This one is the Manto Pro. I think I did review the Manto as well. This one is the Pro, so it's gonna be about the same as the normal one. It's just the finishing, few of the specs and the shaping around those. 228 watts is a dual 18650. Gonna be able to choose one of the doors when you buy a different. Mine is the Skull edition. Looks pretty damn sick. It got that rubber finish. I love that rubber finish. Has a very simple but nice screen. He holds up to 26 on the top, even maybe 27s. But obviously we go to all of that on the up and close. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna dive down. Okay, so here is the box where you get a micro USB cable. And the main event, your Manto Pro. So on the top you're gonna be able to fit, well, 25s will sit nice, but you can go up to 26 actually, they will sit flush. Got a very nice spring-loaded 510, very simple 510 in there on the front, and it has a bit of fingerprint magnet, excuse me for that. Gonna have fire button, up and down, micro USB port, and your screen. This side, yeah, it is very fingerprint magnet when you use, I use juice, I always have juice on my hands. So because this is very rubbery, it's a very nice rubbery finish. But if you clean it, it will be fine. Manto Pro. And here is where you're gonna be able to choose the design that you want. Mine is the Skull edition. And it looks very, very nice. It's also very, very soft, very nice. Nothing going on the bottom here. Obviously, it's gonna be your battery door. It's gonna be held by two magnets. Magnets are strong and nice, no issues in there. Gonna have your ribbon. Gonna have positive and negative mark. It's not marking white, but it is shiny, kind of visible. So you're obviously going to be able to fit two 18650. So this side positive there, and this side right there. Got spring load contacts on the bottom. Here we go. Place your battery door. As you can see, it's very, very secure. And here we have the screen. Now, screen is going to be very basic, but it works, to be honest. So you're going to have battery indicator. Here is the mode that you're going to be in, 51 watts. So you go by 0.1 increment, but as soon as you press the button, it goes by 1 watt increment and very quick. You also go by 1 watt increment after 100 watts, and it goes up to 228, sorry. And then it does round robin, so very, very good. I like that. Then here how many seconds you press the button, the ohms on the top, and the voltage apply. If you press 1, 2, 3, there, as you can see, variable wattage, it is flashing. Here you're gonna have bypass, nichrome, titanium, and stainless steel. TCR, back to voltage. Now if you choose, let's say, stainless steel, here you're gonna have obviously Fahrenheit, and it goes up to 600 Fahrenheit, round robin to Celsius. If you want to change the watts in there, when you're in temperature control, you press fire button and down. Here we go, it starts flashing, you adjust your watts, then you confirm and you're ready to go. So let's put it back to variable wattage, sorry. So in variable wattage, when you press fire button and down or fire button and up, nothing happened. But when you press up and down at the same time, it's gonna lock. You're still gonna be able to fire, but you're not gonna adjust your watts, so very, very good. And obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn it back on. Very nice Rincoe in there. Obviously check atomizer. Here I have the diesel. I think the diesel is 26.5 or 26. So you're gonna see how it sits in there. As you can see, it sits nice. You still got about, I will say, a mil on each side. So even if you put 27, obviously 27 is not gonna be very popular. They will fit here nice and no overhang, so very, very good. I like it. I like that when you press, it kind of go quick as well, and obviously when you press, all the seconds and the volts apply, and that's it. We cover up everything. This one is a simple one. We're gonna come back on top. I tell you where you can get a price, and we run to pros and cons. Alright, and we're back, and that was the up and close for the Rincoe Manto Pro. So where you can get it in price? This one I got at Fast Tech for, you ready? $23. Yes, that's what, 18 UK pounds. That is crazy. That just proves that you don't have to go expensive to have a nice mod. And like I said, no long time ago, I did review that Blitz that was totally crap. It's a waste of money. When 80 pounds, you can have a nice mod. So pros and cons. Listen, isn't any cons for 18 pounds on a mod like this? I don't think so. I mean, if you have juice or greasy hands, you're gonna be able to see on that rubber finish a bit of the fingerprint magnet. And it doesn't have to be shiny to have to be a fingerprint magnet. This one, it is a little bit, but to be honest, are you really gonna buy a mod like that to be, shining around? I think this is kind of mods that you use for work. You don't really worry too much, because 18 pounds, this thing is a banger. That's it, fingerprint magnet, nothing else. I mean, this thing is a banger for the price. I mean, I love the rubberized finish. We're on to pros now, by the way. I love that you can fit up to 26, even maybe 27s on the top. I was running my 30mm aromomizer. No issues in there. I mean, it has overhang, but I don't really mind. No rattle, This is 18 pounds mod. No rattle. Magnets are very nice and secure. It looks good. Performs good. It's very quick. The ramp it up on it. I mean, 18 pounds. You have a banger here. I love it. It's kind of small. If it's nice in your hand, it is a very, very good device. Now I have my diesel on the top, and review coming soon for this one. 46 watts, and it's 1 ohm build. Let's have a toot. Ramp up. It's pretty damn good. Gonna have all your temperature controls. You're gonna have your bypass, your TCRs. Very easy menu to operate. You're gonna have the locking. I'm not sure about firmware upgrade. I'm pretty sure it's not. I will not recommend to charge on your mod. I always, use an external charge unless you're on the go and you really need it. But always keep an eye on it. I mean, do I have to recommend really for 18 pounds? Definitely. Definitely go there and grab it. I mean, if you go buy something at Fastech and, you have 18 pounds spare, this one is a very, very good one for the price. So definitely recommend. We're going to wrap it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to join my Patreon. Link is down below. I always have my previews of the video so you can see them before everybody else. And also giveaways. Other than that, I wish you all the best. I hope to see you next time. Till there, keep vaping.